touch me and die. Sorry to ruin your little pose. Watch yourself, little one, or I'll add a few more rips to your jeans. Let me ask you a question, girl. Are you scared? Good. Never admit your fear. Gives your enemies an advantage. Tell me, do you want power over others? You do? Then join my Decepticon army, and we will rule over the rest of these pathetic humans. Look at them. Look at them. Look at their faces. Look at their dumb, ugly faces. They are nothing but a plague on this planet, and you, girl, can help me eliminate them. Are you up to the task? Excellent! Then get up here, turn around, and raise your fist up high. Get up here, turn around. I don't care what your big sister says. You give her the orders now. Raise your fist up in allegiance to me. Good. Ah, she has a claw like me. Report to the warship. We need to get you some proper battle armor. Farewell, soldier. I will see you soon enough.
What, you brought me your churro? You're eating it upside down. You realize that, don't you? You better turn it around. You won't be fooled by my cunning. You're a very curious creature. I'll grant you, audience. Turn around. Get your picture. They don't want a picture of the back of your head. Yes, cover up the flakes of churros stuck between your teeth. Turn around! Unless you want a picture of the back of your head, it's your call. I won't stop you. Good job, indeed.